are two types of girls, restless rebels and fancy ladies. Do you think you are one or the other? Miss Mary's school has a new student. Okay, Rebel, let's get to know each other better. Let me examine the new subject. Oh well, this is quite serious, but we will handle it. We have seen worse. The transformation begins. The first lesson. We'll wash off your war paint and try something a little milder instead. Apply a little light shadows to the upper eyelid and under the eyebrow. Apply golden beige on top. Blend the shadows. Emphasize the eyelashes and the outer part of the eyelids. Make them darker. Brush and tint the eyebrows. Apply mascara carefully, barely touching the eyelashes. A light and elegant blush is a must. Now, outline your lips and tint them with a brush. Finally, powder your nose and your new daily makeup is ready. The point of this look is to emphasize your natural beauty. All done! The Rebel doesn't recognize herself in the mirror, but she definitely likes her new gentle look. It's not that bad. Let me just fix my hairstyle. Speaking of hair, it's time to say goodbye to your bun. And your colored hair? Are you ready to say goodbye to that too? Brush your hair. Divide the hair into two parts. Separate the upper part so that it doesn't get in the way, and collect the lower hair in a ponytail and take a bun donut. Make a low bun. Wind the upper strands around the base of the bun. Secure it with hairspray. It's a perfect option for a stylish young lady. It looks spectacular! Remember, a lady spends every free minute improving herself. We will discuss your table manners later. For now, we will have a mini training session. You will need a teaspoon. Grasp the handle with your lips. Use your facial muscles to raise and lower the spoon. Move it as much as possible. Does it look weird? It's okay. We promise it'll benefit your face. And now, open your mouth to make the letter O and massage the stretched muscles on the cheeks like this. The next exercise starts with the chin. Smooth the skin towards the cheekbones with your palm. Press it down lightly. Do this exercise on both sides. You're done! And now, index fingers on your forehead and draw crossed lines with them. Got it? We'll repeat that again. Work hard! And remember to keep from turning into a wrinkly Shar-Pei. These face exercises should be done regularly. And now, let's go through your wardrobe. Ooh, what is this? Your style should make people admire you, not laugh. Give it back! Hey! But you can't argue much with Miss Mary. No, no, no. We are throwing away everything from your past life. Try this dress on. Cute! Just keep your back straight and don't slouch. This is much better. Darling, who taught you to sit at the table like that? Sit straight right now. Bend your knees and cross one on top of the other playfully. Perfect! And don't forget that you need to always maintain good posture. You can't do it? In that case, Miss Mary has one life hack. Here, take an umbrella. Hold the umbrella with your elbows towards your back. With the umbrella helping you, you can't slouch even when you want to. It's not easy being a lady. Do you think this is the right look? Those sneakers with this skirt? That's no good. Ladies, choose heels. I have a pair of Cinderella shoes just for you. Like Marilyn Monroe said, give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. She wears the heels and tries to walk in a straight line. Oh, yikes! Even horses walking on ice look more confident. You look like a T-Rex. Keep your back straight. Chin up. A book on your head will help you to maintain your posture. Not bad. And if you try with 2 books? 1 step, another step. Can you handle 3 books? Good job! See? It's not that hard. Lesson number 7 is the basics of photography. Let's have a small photo shoot outside. Smile! A smile, not a stupid grin. How many likes will you get for these dumb faces? You are a lady, honey. Repeat after me. Stand with your back straight, your hand on your waist, and place 1 leg forward. Or one more good pose. Stand like this, your arms crossed across the chest and an intense look on your face. Another winning pose is with your leg forward and your chin like this. Let's test it out. 1 pick, 2, 3. Stop! We are done! Well done! I will definitely follow your Instagram. Oh, sorry! Hello, handsome! Can I take this chair? Oh, you forgot to spit out your gum. It's okay. I can hide it behind my ear. What do you think you were doing? Scratching your leg? Yawning? Chewing your nails? Does a lady behave like that? You know, miss, I don't think I turned off my oven. Some other time. No offense. After a short course at lady school, her dates look very different. A modest young lady with pleasant manners will conquer any guy's heart. Flowers? For me? A rose for my darling as a sign of my great admiration. How nice! What a wonderful smell! Girls love dessert. Do they know how to eat it? Let's find out. Put the cakes on saucers. Enjoy your meal. Yep, you too. Hum nom 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 nom. Oh gosh, where did you learn to eat like this? Take a napkin and wipe your nose. To keep from making a mess, you should eat cakes with a teaspoon. Like this, carefully, in small pieces. Miss Mary has to go to a parent-teacher conference. Oh no, I can't be left alone with a whole table of cakes. Well, how can I resist? Right, there's no way. Oh, how delicious! And an eclair and a tart? Ooh, I think I ate so much I got the hiccups. Where is my dessert? Did you eat it all? No, What made you think so? Could I ever do that? That wouldn't be very ladylike. The next lesson at the ladies' school is in the kitchen. Even if you don't stay in the kitchen for days, you should be able to cook. Here's the recipe and the ingredients. You can do this. Cut a ripe avocado. Take out the seed and scrape out part of the flesh from half of it. Break an egg in it. A little spices and herbs, and put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out. Looks great. And that smell! I wonder how it tastes. It's delicious! You will make a great homemaker. So, what's with all these bubbles? Have you seen yourself? And don't try to hide. I didn't finish. Blowing bubbles is not nice. Hello? Can you even hear me? That's so rude. You don't believe me, do you? Well, what can I do with you? I think I have one idea. Take a pack of chewing gum and mustard. Smear the gum with mustard and put it back in the package. Old habits die hard. My favorite gum. How can I quit you? Oh, this mint is a little too minty or even mustardy. Oh my gosh, somebody bring me water. I hate it. I really hate it when I don't get something right on the first try. My poor nerves. This game will drive me crazy. Even the worst mood will be better when there are balloons with a surprise. Why do I need balloons? Am I a little kid? And what is this weapon? It's an anti-stress racket. Look, toss it up. Boom! Wow, how colorful. Awesome! You'll need badminton rackets. Glue thumbtacks to the racket. Use hot glue. Now you will need balloons and Holi paint powder. Pour the paints in the balloons. Done! Did you like our life hacks for transforming a rascal into a lady? Which of them did you find the most relatable? Let us know in the comments. To watch even more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel, like this video, click on the bell, and tell your friends about us.